Hi, hello friends. Welcome back to the next video on HTML web workers. A web workers is a JavaScript running in the background without affecting the performance of the web page. What is a web worker? When executing the script in a HTML page, the page becomes a unresponsive until the script is finished. A web worker is a JavaScript that runs in the background independently of other scripts without affecting the performance of the page. You can continue to do whatever you want, click and selecting things, etc. While the web workers runs in the background, check the web worker support or not in our page. If type of the worker is object not equal undefined, then web worker is support. Else case, sorry, no web worker support. This is the logical how to check the web worker is available or support or not in our browser. Create a web worker file. Now let's create our web worker in external JavaScript. Here we can create a script that runs counts. Script is stored in the demo underscore worker.js file where I equal 0 function timed count. I equal to I plus 1 process message I time set of time count 500 milliseconds and time count function calling here. So this is a concept how to set the time counter and create a web worker object. Now the that we can how to create the web worker file. We need to call it from an HTML page. The following lines checks if the web worker already exists. If not, it create a new web worker object and run the code in a demo underscore worker.js. If type of web worker equal undefined, w the web worker equal to new worker of demo underscore worker.js. How to create a web worker object like this by using new keyword and the class name web worker. Worker is a class name of the that web worker and give the file path here. This is the web worker object ws, and then we can send a responsive message from web worker. Yeah, thank you. And next one is, let's go to the this concept practice in our local in my system. I open in my notepad. Here I created one web worker. This is the counter number id equal result, and on click start worker and stop the worker. Internet Explorer 9 earlier version of do not support web workers. Yeah, here I choose the JavaScript code where w. This is the web worker object. Start worker. Type of the worker not equal undefined. Type of w undefined. W equal to new worker demo underscore workers.js. This is the object of the web worker w. W dot on message function event. This is a callback function. Document dot get element by id. Result is a div id of this HTML div id, means the output id, and inner HTML event dot data. This event is object dot data. Whatever object is getting from demo underscore worker, that will be append to the inner HTML to the this output result id. Else part document dot get element by id of that output id inner dot HTML. Sorry, your browser does not support web workers. And if you want stop the web worker, then click on this stop web worker here. then it will be calling to this function, and web worker dot terminate, that will be close the web worker session, and w equal undefined we are send, that is means reset the web worker. So let's go to the, and before that this demo underscore webworker.js file, what is the code in that file? Here I simply written I where I equal 0 function of time the count, and I equal I plus 1, and post message I set timeout, and timeout of 500, and time count. This is function used to increment the I value, that's it. And that is I imported or included in this webworker.html page. So let's go to this file, and I open in my local system, and I will be executing my web browser. Yeah, here I created my web worker web page. Just I click on double click, then it will be open in my system. Yeah, start worker. When I click on here and stop the worker, I think some error I getting. Yeah, this is the problem of the my system, because of it needs the local server, Apache server. Present I didn't start my Apache server, that's why it's a problem. Just give me 1 second, I start my Apache server in my laptop, then it will be working. Yeah, now it's taking some time. Yeah, if you have any doubt, then right click on here, inspect the element source code here. Yeah, now my Apache is ready. When I click on here, this is the Jam server, download from Google and install in your system and start the Apache server, and okay. This is the my local file location, enter localhost, my file location, web worker. Yeah, now it's worked because of local. This is a localhost, is my local server, 24/7 YouTube advanced HTML and HTML API and webworker.html. This is my file location. When I click on here, the 1 is getting, and 3 is 4 on. This incremented will be happens from the demo underscore webworker.js file to the my current file. When if you want stop this count increment, then stop the increment. So this is the concept of the web worker in a front end. If I refresh it, then again it start the from starting to the increment. Yeah, if you want stop here 15. So this is the concept of the web worker. Let's go to the, again I repeat the explanation on this concept. Yeah, this is the web worker start button, this is web worker stop button. Start web worker is there, come here, and if web worker equal undefined, web worker is not defined, then demo underscore worker page is loaded. This is here. Here time count, this function I called here, and I created here function block I equal I plus 1, post message of I, and set count of timed count 500. Every 500 milliseconds this function will be called, that number of times. Every 500 milliseconds once time count, this is onload called. Every this set timeout function every 500 milliseconds once this method is called, and this I value is incremented. And one more thing is that is stop the web worker. This is the stop the web worker is simply doing it web worker object dot terminate. Terminate means kill the that web worker. and web worker equal to undefined means that we can assign the null undefined value to the web worker, means it's reset the value. So this is the concept of the web worker in HTML. So I hope you guys have understood this concept. Please keep practice on it. If you like my video, please like, comment, share, and please subscribe the channel, and please click on the bell icon for next new video notification you will get. Thank you.